So, a lot of you guys are wondering, how do you order on CSSBUY? You want some cheap packages, you want cheap shipping? Well, I'm going to show you everything. So to begin, you register with my invite link, which you can find in the description. So by signing up with my invite link, you're going to save with coupons, you're going to save on shipping and all that. You just need to put your username, email address, fill out all these forms, and register. Then you'll automatically have all these benefits. So the way you're actually going to be able to find items on CSSBUY is through spreadsheets, Reddit. There are multiple subreddits for you to be able to find products. For example, through my Discord server in the description, you'll be able to find a spreadsheet. So on the spreadsheet, you can see there's all these categories and so many items, hundreds of items. And you can really pick whichever one you want. Click on this link. For example, let's say I want this. Find it in my spreadsheet. I pick which color I want, which variant I want. I want to go with this one right here. So I've selected my size, and make sure to click this right here so you can add it to your cart. You'll have it in your cart, and from here you'll be able to purchase. Before purchasing, if you guys want to add money to your balance to make it easier to pay for, you're going to want to go to your dashboard, click recharge, and there are various payment methods here you can use to put money into your balance. You're going to also have to make sure that the shipping and billing addresses match on your account, or else it won't work. So you add how much, you select your method. If you're having issues with this, just let me know in my Discord server and we'll help you out. So once you've done all that and you just want to purchase your items, all you do is select the ones that you're interested in. For example, I want to get these, right? I proceed to checkout. And from here you select your country, coupons if you have any available, and you click pay now. Now you'll be able to pick from your balance or all these various payment methods. This is pretty simple and straightforward. You just select your payment method and you pay. Once it's successful, your orders will be showing up here, and they will usually be shown as pending if you had just bought it. After a while, it's going to show, it's going to update, it's going to be ordered. Then after a while, it will be shipping to the warehouse. Keep in mind, this will take a few days, so please be patient. Also, if you want to contact your agent or seller for support, just click here and contact them for any questions you have. If you want to contact CSSBUY directly, just go here and you create your inquiry for a question or if you need help or anything. Also, if you're looking for an item to find QC on, quality control images to make sure you're buying the product that you are looking for, you'll usually be able to find reference photos here. You can find them here. If you can't find any QC images, you can just look for the Chrome extension in my description, where you'll be able to easily check quality control images, any quality control images that are available, and they will show up here. Now to ship out your items, you're going to want to go to warehouse right here, and it's going to show which items are in warehouse. You're going to want to select which ones you want to ship out and click ship orders. Now all you have to do from here is select your address, make sure it's the same as your billing address, and fill out all of this information. Now you can also select rehearsal shipping, which is a preparatory step so they can carefully package your parcel according to your specifications before you select shipping. Now once you've put in your address, you can select which shipping method you'd like to use. So this shows all the different prices, all these details you can find, and you can just come here and select and acceptance and delivery. All you'll have to do here in this section is declare your product price. So basically you just have to fill out this information and it must accurately reflect the package's value. Any incorrect information will affect your insurance coverage, and it can cause more issues for you. Here you'll be able to add your shipping coupon if you have any. Also keep in mind, if you're buying shoes, I'd recommend to select without box Without Boxer, you can save on shipping fees. This is because the shipping lines are going to charge you a lot more for the weight of your package. So now that you guys know how to order off CSSBUY, make sure to subscribe and check my Discord for more information, more announcements, and help on your packages.